that's our haul for the week and a half, hopefully. The ground provisions was Hi neighbors, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if I look kind of fresh, I feel kind of fresh, so just bear with me. If you saw the last video, I was saying, boy, prices really gone through the roof. And most people from every section of the world, from Africa, Europe, everybody was in agreement that prices and the cost of living just gone up. So, for those of you who did not believe me, I'm going to take you all to our supermarket trip for the week. We used to shop one time for 2 weeks at a time, but we're starting it for 1 week at a time because we now have meal planning in terms of what we're eating daily. So we'll shop based on what our meal plans are. We'll find that it's more pointed, you buy what you need for the week as against just buying 3 chicken or whatever and then you end up not utilizing it the best way. So the meal plan for the week, if Tina would have figured it out already, I can show you that. And she sent me the list on my phone, but because I'm going to be vlogging, I can't use my phone and vlog at the same time. So I'm just right now transcribing it to my paper, and I'm going to go into the store with my pen and my paper and tick off as I go. So come with us. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are a large family, a family of 7, so we eat enough and got good to it, so we'll buy good things. I'm going to take you to the place where I find the best value in Portmore, none other than Master Mac supermarket, or is it Mac Master? I can never remember, but yeah, I'm going to show you now. Master Mac or Mac Master supermarket. Let the shopping begin. First thing I try to do is memorize my list so that I don't have to be looking back and forth all the time. Then periodically I look on it to make sure that I don't forget anything. So the first stop is the cold section, and I have meat as pork, roast and chops, 2 whole chicken, 3 pounds chicken back. That's meat. I've not seen my dog for seasoned beef. Good seasoned beef. Alright, so I got all the things on the cold meat sections, but not regular jammies. Bad dog sausages, that's the last thing. Got it. I almost forgot the pork roast, but I think I prefer going to high-low for that. So there are 1 or 2 things that I basically always pick up at high-low. When it comes to meat, certain meats, beef roast and anything, the pork roast, high-low, and sometimes progressive is the place to go. So I'll leave this one off the list at Master One. Salad dressing is on the list, and the last time I picked up some Italian vinaigrette thing. I see for Tina and Hannah them. I'm not going to pick the salad dressing as the best one of all time. Thousand Island. What's your favorite salad dressing? I like the Thousand Island. It's nice and flavorful, creamy. The Italian vinaigrette and those things, them too light. Can't do that. Right, so this is the oil with rice, sugar, oil, flour. Alright, if you went to Portmore with me, you know why I'm picking up this brand. Sugar, I just pick up any brand, you know what I'm saying. This one is Worthy Park Estate. Pick up yourself Worthy Park Estate. Cereal, I always buy this and Tina always tells me she hates it, so let me buy it again. To annoy her, I just joking. I think she said she likes the Hawaiian one. Yes. Milk times 2. Wait, good flick. Come in, brother. Now in the aisle for breads and tinned items. And our bread is not there. Well, there's literally one. But never buy the last bread. I'm not buy the last bread. I'm not buy the last bread. Alright, so I think I'm halfway through shopping now, and so I'm going to check off my list to see the progress I'm making. So the average person who looks would not see any lullaby wipes, but because I love lullaby wipes so much, I look until I find it. Carmed, I know you distribute lullaby, diapers and wipes. Give me a holler. So I'm finished now. Check my list. Whatever is here I got. Now it's time to face the music and walk down the aisle. Already at 9K. Still good. So we're finished with the supermarket now. Next stop to get fruits and ground provisions. Nice fresh produce. But I'm going to be taking with me, not everybody.
Hi neighbors!
I just got Hannah and the rest of the family.
Hi neighbors!
Yes, so I'm going to bring Layla and Zara to come along and pick out some nice fruits and vegetables. This is where I come every week to get my ground provision. My friend at the corner. So we're going to see what we need now. I have Tina's phone so I can track what I am to get. Come guys, come. Alright, it's a new day. I was too tired yesterday to finish the video and show you the actual haul and every little thing, the meats, the vegetable, the fruits, the snacks, all that's going on, and show you everything one time. So, I woke up this morning and I'm going to show you right now. So, let me show you how everything looks. It's supposed to be for a week and a half, or a week actually, but see if we can stretch it for a week and a half. 2 weeks might be pushing it, but let me show you what's going on. So first I'm starting with the meats. So we got the 2 whole chicken from CB. Prefer CB because just a preference. I prefer CB to best dressed. 2 whole chickens. This is for some soup. This is the good old chicken back. Bulk chicken back. Got 2 of this. To put in some soup with some piece of the chicken as well. Make it nice and meaty. Seasoned burgers from Veggies. Seasoned beef. Bad dog sausages. I don't know if saltfish is really a meat. I guess it is a meat, even though it don't need to be in the freezer. I've got some saltfish, 2 trays of saltfish, and that is it for the meat. So this meat should last. You know, you do some curry chicken and whatever else, soup. Lunch can be for with beef, burgers, and Tina will work it in terms of the meal planning and all that. Next up is our toiletries and hygiene stuff. So babies is a big factor. This is a lullaby. Diapers 60. I don't think this will last a week, but it may last up to Wednesday or so. A few toilet tissues, some mouthwash, lullaby wipes. I don't know if Carmen is watching. Anybody from Carmen watching? I mean, lullaby we use. So any ads or anything coming, just give us a call. Clim. Babies like Clim for their growth, and Clim and Nestum go hand in hand. Nestle, anybody from Nestle? I'm going to stop now. Nestle, oats and rice, and wheat and fruits Nestum. Also very big, Tina really loves this product, this is really great yogurt. The only person who loves this more than Tina is the babies and our cat Chelsea. He adores yogurt. So whenever we finish and we have the cat, we'll just give him and him lick it out. Cranberry fruit medley, strawberry, and fruit salad. We have here our cheese, New Zealand cheddar cheese. This is not in the right section, but yeah, it comes with the cold things, with the yogurt, fine. So that's our dairy section right here. So you're not seeing any eggs because we have somebody from church that supplies us with eggs. I'll pick that up either later today or tomorrow. But we don't need eggs right now, so I'll go there. I don't like when it stays too long, but I'll go there. That's why there's no eggs here, but we eat eggs. Alright, next up is, I don't even know what you call this section. I'm gonna start with the snacks. So peanuts, fruits and nuts, and salted. We start picking up so many snacks, so we just have a few cookies, chocolate fudge, and rainbow chip. Love this from St. Mary's. The cassava chips. Saldanza plantain chips. They like the ripe ones, not the green ones, so I got some of that. But we're cutting down on the snacks, so we usually have a lot more, but because we're eating so routinely and planned now, we don't need to be snacking. 3 tins of condensed milk. You may ask yourself why. Let's say 1 tin is for porridge. You know, you're making some oats or cornmeal porridge or almond porridge, and then tea. It will last into the other week for sure. Mungo peas. This can be used in different ways. I guess soup or rice and peas on a Sunday. Yeah. Eve. Baked beans. This can go good with some sausage for breakfast one day. Paprika. We had enough of the other salt and black pepper, so we never pick up any of that. Thousand Island, the best dressing in the world. Let me know what your favorite is. And some Ping's 100% vegetable oil. I never got to ask you, so as I said, I went to Master Mac first. There are some things I'll need to get at high, like the pork roast. But tell me, what is your favorite? There's Mega Mart, Price Mart, High Low, Shoppers Fair, Master Mac, the Shoe San, John R. Wang. There are so many supermarkets. Where do you like to shop? Tell me where you like to shop. If you're overseas, I don't know what them name. Whatever them name, just let us know where you like to shop, where you get the deals, and share it in the comments that the neighborhood I can benefit and other people in the neighborhood can benefit. Alright? Alright, next up, some jasmine rice. Love this rice. Best rice. Everything I see in here is the best. So, Worthy Park Estate Jamaican cane sugar. Nice brown sugar. We don't use the white sugar. This is the Hawaiian crunchy granola cereal for morning time. Sorry. Coconut milk powder, 3 packs. Milo, the food of champions with Actigen. Where's Actigen E? With Actigen E, summer. Kids like Milo. Bread, only 1 bread was there, but we're going to need at least 2 for the week. I have some pita bread. This can do it. I don't know what Tina have planned for this, but she know what to make it creative. 2 boxes of milk, Surge Island milk, and that rounds out this section. Now for the fruits and veggies. So we have a very colorful, outline here. Look like we could have sell. This look like a stand, This could have been a stand. We could have sell back some of them anyway. So we have our outer Tahiti apples. As somebody one time I heard him say, him selling some Ethiopia apples. It's outer Tahiti. Some cucumbers, papayas. One is for today, one is for later in the week. This one feels soft when you eat. We have some corn for soup. Some tomatoes, cut up in your little dishes as part of your season with your onion and your scallion. Some Scotch bonnet peppers. Ripe bananas. Have to have fruits in the morning. I have here 2 lovely cabbages. And around here, we have a pound of onions, some yellow yam, some sweet potatoes, some Irish potatoes, and 2 chocho. 2 chocho. Rounding off this section, we have carrots. I think this is 2 pounds of carrots. Go with everything. Pumpkins. 2 pounds of pumpkin. Go in soup and you're dealing some food. And plantains as well. The children love planting. What's left is, we're hanging these scallions here. Some scallions, some people call it, there's a name that people call it, man. Jamaicans call it scallion, but it's like some onion thing that other people call it, right? And our thyme. Thyme and scallion go together, right? And that's it. Oh, sorry, lettuce. Some lettuce package to go into the refrigerator. Let's go with burger. As a side for dinner, many applications. And that's it, neighbors. That's our haul for the week and a half, hopefully 2 weeks pushing it. Supermarket was a whopping 24,000. The ground provisions was 4,000. The fruits, we only bought papaya, ripe banana, and apples. We'll have to go back again probably by a couple days from now when it's fresh. You can't buy too much one time. But that was just $1,000 there, about close to $1,000. So what's the total? 24 plus 4, 28 plus 1, 29. 29, 30,000. And this is us cutting back. So you can imagine what it was before, when just a reach and yeah. Again, let us know how your shopping goes, where you go for the deals. Help me, help the neighborhood. Somebody is watching in the comments. Type your comment and let me know where we can go. And as usual, everybody, thanks for watching, and big up from me and my host. Bye.